Mommy C, and Juliana is not here. Oh, I am alone. And then I received my package. I bought a Gimbal Pro last 3 weeks ago, and then it comes yesterday. I don't have time to open, so I need to open today. Because Juliana is not here, so I'll open alone. You're here, the baby. You want to open?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Not this side.
Which?
Come to Mama.
What is it in here?
I need to wait. Your Nana is coming. You need to open here.
Huh?
Yeah, in the middle. You need to do like that. Careful, because there is knife. You want me, Mama?
Huh?
You want Mama to do it?
I can poke a hole and okay, Mom needs to put.
I will help you.
It's open just right there.
Right here. You know what is the color? Guess.
Black,
No.
blue,
No.
pink,
Yeah.
pink.
Allah, this is. Hey. This is what we got. And then Julian is fun with this. This is Gimbal Pro. This is Gimbal Pro. Gimbal Pro. How do you read this? Wow! Come here, baby. Here is the. And this is. You need to do like that. This is Julia's favorite color.
No,
You have
Black.
pink.
black and white is my favorite color.
Black and white. See if you have your here and then you turn it on. So it should be. No, you need to charge. Phone clip, power on and off, track lens. That is track lens. Rotation. So the charging port, the reset button, instruction. This is Bluetooth. So you need to do this with Bluetooth, darling. Nice color. Say, Papa. Yeah, before say. We'll see if it's working. And if it's not working, so I'll send it back. We'll see tomorrow, Yulia. Okay? That's all, guys. We see tomorrow. We need to charge.
Yes.
And then we'll see if it's working. Don't throw it because if it's not working, so we need to return it.
This?
No, it doesn't matter. I mean this one. So we need to pop in. Okay? See you tomorrow. We'll see if it's working, baby. See if had it.
Bye-bye.
Turn it off.